Hello everyone, welcome to Neva's Tutor. So in today's class we are going to study integration by substitution. So to start with, I can see that they have already given us what is the substitution and I'll start by using it. So u is equals to under root x. Now the first step always will be I'll have to differentiate this. So du over dx is equals to, now differentiation of x to the power of half would be half x to the power of half minus 1, that will be minus half. So I'll just simplify this further. So du over dx is equals to 1 over 2 root x. Now from here what I will do is I will just make dx the subject. So it will become dx is equals to 2 root x du. Now as I know that root x is nothing but u, so I can just write 2u du. Now coming here to substitute it. Now over here we can see in place of under root of x I can just write u minus 1 over now 2 times. Now in place of x I know that u is nothing but root x. So if I square it, it will become x. So hence x is nothing but u square plus u and dx. So now in place of dx we can write whatever value we have got here. So I'll just write down over here integration from 1 to 4 root x minus 1 over 2 into x plus root x dx. This can be written as u minus 1 over 2 u square plus u, and in place of dx I will just write 2u du into 2u du. That's all. Now in the next step I will simplify it further. So that means I will just write here integration of this will become u minus 1 over, now I'll take u common outside. So I'll just write 2u times u plus 1 into 2u du. So now because of this what I can do is I can just cancel out 2u. So it will become u minus 1 over u plus 1 du. Alright. Now I have changed all my equation in u. So the limits which are given to me, these are for x, right? Hence I will convert my limits also in terms of u. That means I can just say when x is basically our x is nothing but u square, or I can just say when root x is nothing but u. Hence when x value, the upper limit is given to be 4, so that time I can just write u is equals to under root of 4, that is nothing but 2. Next, when x is equals to 1, u is nothing but under root of 1, which will be just 1. So now I can write my equation as integration from 1 to 2 u minus 1 over u plus 1 du. Alright, so this is what I had to prove. So the first part is done. It was quite easy. Now we have to show that the integration is nothing but 1 plus ln 4 over 9. So now we will use the first part itself and we will solve the equation. So I'll just write here, we have to show that I is nothing but 1 plus ln 4 over 9. And the integration which we already got from the first part from limits 1 to 2 is u minus 1 over u plus 1 du. Now to integrate this, first thing what I can do is simplify this further. That means I'll have to break this down. So for breaking this down, what I can do is, instead of just writing u minus 1 over u plus 1, I can make the numerators and denominators same. How? See. So I can just write this plus 2, or we can just do it minus 2 instead, because when I'll open the bracket, the value for this will be nothing but u plus 1 minus 2 is nothing but u minus 1, which is same as this. But I'm just breaking it down in such a way which will help me to simplify. So I'll just erase this for now. Yes, into du. Now in the next part I'll separate it. So u plus 1 over u plus 1 minus 2 over u plus 1. Integration from 1 to 2. This into du. So in the next step, this will be nothing but integration of 1 du from 1 to 2 minus, over here it will be 2 integration from 1 to 2 1 over u plus 1 du. See, because we broke this down, it became very easy for us to integrate. Hence in the next step, it's nothing but u integration of a constant is nothing but just u in this case from 1 to 2 minus 2 integration of 1 over u plus 1 is always ln u plus 1 from 1 to 2. Now what do I have to do? Now I just have to substitute my limits, upper limit minus the lower limit. So I can just write it here. Over here 2 minus 1 minus 2 times. Now in this case it is ln u plus 1, that would be ln 3 minus ln 1 plus 1, which will be ln 2. So when you simplify this further, this will become 1 2 ln 3 minus, I'm just opening the bracket, 2 ln 2. Then further you can just put this in your calculator. So either you can just write this as so minus 2 into minus 2 plus minus ln 2 will become plus. So ln a minus ln b, we can write it as ln a over ln b. So if you want, I'll just write it again in a proper way. 2 plus minus 2 ln 3. So this you can just write it as 2 ln 2 over 3. And you can take this 2 in the power, hence it can become 2 square, which is 4, and 3 square is 9. So once you put this, you don't have to put this in the calculator, because this is how we had to show the proof, right? Yes. I hope you guys have understood, and if you guys have any doubts regarding the classes, you can contact on the given email in the description. Thank you.